Alright, I'm going to do a cold start video on the 87 Chevy. Actually, first I'm going to walk around it. Everybody's been asking for a walk around. So it's not perfect. It's got little tiny scrape right there above the... That's pretty much it on the outside though. There it is. A little chilly this morning. I know people are wondering about rust. There's no rust. Oh, there we go. I can't even see. Oh, here we go. 5. I know it's not the best video. It's just surface stuff. Nothing that goes through. This truck is pretty solid. I mean, look at this frame. Kidding me? The whole frame like this. Footwells, everything. Now the bed, old school rims. The bed has some missing wood right there. That's it though. What do you expect for a truck that's old? A little dent right there. Maybe like something dropped on it. I know I'm not the best videos. Let's go over here. Side, seat. Dash ain't terrible. Current up a little on the corners, but nothing bad. Want to pop that hood, Mike? All right, here's a cold start. First thing in the morning. There it is. Right in the center. Steel cowl hood. Frame down there, you can see it's clear, free. The original wiring for the different intake setup is still back there. I can show you under the footwell where the driver I guess not that great. There more of the perfect frame. There's no rust on this vehicle, and there never has been.